Science presentation. 1. Microwave. Used to heat food or ulam that's cold. It is in the kitchen on the top of the counter. We need to follow the instructions on how to use it properly and safe. You can sell it to the junk shop when not functional. 2. Electric fan. Used for cooling us down if we are hot or sweaty. In the living room, and we need to always clean it. When not functional, we sell it to the junk store. 3. Chair. Used for resting and sitting. You can see it everywhere in the house, and we need to clean it. We sell it in the junk shop when broken. 4. Fan. Using it when we are outside or no electric behind our living room door. We always need to remove dust in it. When broken, we throw it in the trash can. 5. Brush or comb. We use it for brushing or combing our hair. In the bags or cabinets, we need to remove some left air or dust in it. When broken, we throw it in the trash. 6. Water. We use it for us to drink clean water. Found on the kitchen floor beside the water dispenser. We wait for the water delivery to get it and they will clean it. When it's broken, we can sell it to the junk shop. 7. Fork or spoon. We use it for eating rice or food. Found in the kitchen cabinets, we need to always wash it after using. When broken, we throw it in the trash. 8. Cup. We use it for drawing. Found at the dish rack. We always wash it with soap. When broken, we throw it away. The end.